So, what is ethics? Well, now we could get into a detailed philosophical analysis here, which I absolutely do not want to do. There are 100 libraries of books written about this, most of them which are unbelievably boring. I want to suggest a stipulative definition, that is a definition that says this is the way I'm going to use it, and I use it because, and suggest it because this comes out of my understanding of what's a skillful way to look at this for our own lives, for our own ethics and our own growth and well-being, not to mention the well-being of others. And I want to suggest that the key factor in ethics is the intention that underlies our behavior, the intention or motivation driving behavior. This is not a new idea. 1500 years ago, Muhammad said, all actions are judged by the motives prompting them. Okay? So I want to suggest that when we look at ethics, what we really want to zero in on is the intention with which we're acting. And I want to suggest that an intention is ethical to the extent it aims at enhancing the welfare and well-being of everyone, including oneself. Okay? Now the last bit, including oneself, is very important, because if you don't have that last bit, then the attempt to be ethical ends up as self-sacrifice. And that belief is one of the pervasive distortions in our culture about the very nature of ethics. Our culture, for the most part, believes that ethics is self-sacrifice. You do ethics, you be ethical because it's the right thing to do, or because God will get you, or some such. Okay. And this is a tragic misunderstanding, because properly understood, ethics is not self-sacrifice, but enlightened and enlightening self-interest. Okay?